PCCF, additional PCCF, CCF, the Vice Chancellor of Valpoi University, and all the other wildlife and bird enthusiasts, ornithologists, bird lovers, etc., who are assembled here. So this is a scenic place, and the inaugural session is happening at a very, very beautiful place surrounded by nature. And this is also the time to recall the pioneering work and the contribution done by eminent ornithologists like Dr. Salim Ali, who have played a very important role and contributed in a significant way for the early documentation of birds and the development of ornithology in India. The 9th Bird Festival of Goa is being organized at the Madhe Wildlife Sanctuary, and this is an ideal venue for such an event. You all know that this sanctuary is known for its diverse geography, includes some of the highest peaks in the state, and supports varied forest types and flora and fauna. This rich habitat sustains more than 250 bird species and holds the distinction of hosting around 16 of the 18 endemic bird species reported from the Western Ghats. I want to compliment the authors of the Bird Atlas of Goa, which was released a few moments back. This is a very pioneering work and a significant document which will provide which will serve as a repository of the birds in Goa. It reflects the dedicated efforts of the multiple stakeholders, including the scientific community, government departments, NGOs, and citizens of this state. This collaborative work is a testimony to the Goa's commitment to long-term conservation of birds and its ecosystem. The release of the second book, Birds of Goa, Konkani Nomenclature, prepared by the faculty of Goa University in association with Goa Forest Department, is also a very important one, and it takes the bird conservation efforts and then to take the knowledge about the birds to the common citizen in their own vernacular language. And this plays a very significant role because we may be very conversant with about the birds in other languages. We may be describing them in their zoological names, etc. Unless the local flavor is added to it, so it may not reach out to one of the important stakeholders, the citizens. So I want to congratulate the 3 authors of this document. It is heartening to see that the Goa Forest Department has taken strenuous efforts to organize this event in a very, very grand manner and a befitting manner. And I compliment the Goa Department for recognizing individuals who have made various contributions for release of these 2 books, and also for contribution towards bird conservation in the state. Such a recognition sends a powerful message to the public, especially the younger generation, to develop compassion and also responsibility toward wildlife. During last year Bird Festival, the bird mascot species were declared for each protected area in Goa. This initiative was aimed at highlighting the ecological significance of different forest ecosystems and bird habitats, while also promoting bird tourism in Goa. With more than 490 recorded bird species, including endemic and migratory birds, Goa is truly blessed with exceptional avian diversity. Given its reputation as a hub for beach tourism and nature-based tourism, it will also open the way for bird tourism. The state has immense potential to emerge as a leading birding destination. So, I once again thank the PCCF and his team of officials who have taken good efforts and then organized this inaugural session in this scenic place. And I also compliment the avian lovers and all the other enthusiasts, bird enthusiasts and wildlife experts who have assembled here. And I hope that the next 2 days which you will be spending here will be very memorable, and you will be making best use of your time in getting good knowledge about the bird species, and also taking it to all the stakeholders. You are the messengers of avian conservation, and we trust that this particular festival will contribute and also facilitate you in taking the objective of bird conservation to all the stakeholders, especially the common citizen, who are very important in this particular aspect, especially in protecting the avian ecosystem.
And we have organizing this with the two different objectives. One is to generate awareness regarding the conservation of bird among the local people, and another is to give a platform to the scientists and academicians to discuss about the different problems and the issues that are being faced by for avian biodiversity conservation. And to a certain extent, we have been successful. This year, we have seen a large number of participants who have registered for this program, and our bird walks and nature walks and the lectures that are being presented here have become very, very popular of late. Goa, as you know, is a paradise of birds. We have around 450 different species of birds, and many of the endemic birds of the Western Ghat are found in Goa also. So, to showcase this bird biodiversity, this bird festival is held every year, and near to a wildlife sanctuary or national park where you can go for bird watching also. Last year we did it in the Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary. This time we are doing it near to the Madei Wildlife Sanctuary. This year we will be publishing, or we will be actually launching 2 books. One book is on the Konkani names of the important birds of the Goa, which is a very important work which has been done by 3 researchers of the Goa University. And this book, I believe, will make this bird conservation much nearer to the heart of the local people, because when we see the bird name in our own language, we can relate to them better, and we can also find out the conservation values of those birds in a better way. Another book that we are going to launch today in the hands of our chief guest is the Bird Atlas of Goa. This is a stupendous work. This is the once published. This will be the second bird atlas in the whole country, and all the organizations who have been involved in this project, which has been almost 5-year-long project, deserves our sincere appreciation for this work. Around 750 square kilometer of the area has been transacted by the researchers and academicians and the bird enthusiasts for preparing this unique bird atlas, which is an interactive and very descriptive book which will give us the very precise information about the birds which are available in Goa. This is a work which will be remembered for in the years to come, and will be a great help to the department also in identifying the areas where the birds are available, so that we can make certain programs for conservation of those birds or of those areas. Many agencies which have been helpful in making this bird atlas, apart from the NGOs like AERO, WWF, Goa State Biodiversity Board and the Goa State Wetland Authority, and even other organizations like Bombay Naturalistic Society has also contributed to this project, very prestigious project, and we are very happy that today this outcome of this project will be actually published and the books will be in the public domain. Let us, with this few words, I would again request you to kindly see the birds which are always you see in your house, among your community. that they are also an important part of our biodiversity. And we must take a pledge today that we must protect these birds, and by protecting the birds, we must also protect the habitat in which these birds live. With these few words, I again welcome you to this 9th Bird Festival. Thank you so much.